Have you ever wondered how farmers harvest thousands of wheat plants in just a few minutes? This giant machine you see here is called the CLAAS Tucano 320, built by the German company CLAAS, and it can do the work of hundreds of people in one day. Let's explore how this powerful farming machine works and why it is one of the most important inventions in modern agriculture. What is this machine? This machine is called a combine harvester. It is called combine because it combines 3 jobs in one machine: cutting the crop, separating the grain, cleaning the grain. Before machines like this existed, farmers had to cut crops by hand, which took many days or even weeks. How does the CLAAS Tucano 320 work? At the front of the machine, you can see the header. This part cuts the wheat and feeds it into the machine. Inside the harvester, a rotating drum separates the grain from the straw. Fans blow away dust and light material. Clean grain goes into the grain tank. Straw is thrown out at the back. All of this happens while the machine keeps moving. That means the farmer can harvest a huge field without stopping. Why is this machine important? Machines like the Tucano 320 help farmers harvest faster, save time and money, produce more food for the world. Without combine harvesters, modern farming would be very slow, and food would be more expensive. One combine harvester can harvest dozens of hectares in one day, something impossible with manual labor. Modern farming technology. Today's harvesters also have GPS systems, computer controls, automatic steering, sensors to measure crop quality. This makes farming more accurate and efficient. Modern agriculture depends on machines like this to feed millions of people. So the next time you see a huge machine in the field, remember, it's not just a tractor, it's a high-tech farming factory on wheels.